Here's a little video on how to attach your SureStitch Elite to your domestic machine. First thing we're going to do is to attach our encoders to the frame. And the first encoder we'll attach is this one right here. When you put on the encoders, make sure you tighten the big screw with a 4mm Allen wrench. Then take this lock collar and lock it with a 2.5mm Allen wrench at a 12. This lock collar will lock the spring in place so it can bounce. When you put on the top encoder, make sure you're on the right side. Put it on this wheel right here. Use a 4mm wrench, Allen wrench. Then take your 2mm Allen wrench, 2.5. Put it at a 12 o'clock angle and tighten it. This will engage the spring. This is your clamp. You want to make sure this side is the SureStitch side, and this side would be this side. Go, put it on your frame, and start screwing it in. Take the Velcro off, and then put it on the back of your machine. Take your encoders and according to the color, put them in that color. This cord is for the screen, which you put right here. Cord depends on what kind of machine you have. Take your power cord, plug that in. Remember that this is your power cable, and to plug it in right there. Your foot pedal is right here, encoder's right here, and your screen cable is right here.
I'm just gonna go ahead and attach your digital cable from the back.
Make sure you select the right machine. Click on this cog, machine settings, select sewing machine, and we have a Janome 1600. But if you want to select another one, you can always change until you find your machine. Now go ahead and start your sewing.